Hi there, welcome to Bella's Vistas. Thanks for visiting. I hope you'll like and subscribe. This is a project that I made with my dad's war medals. He was in World War II. Now a friend of mine came by and saw that, and he had some pictures of his grandfather from the First World War. He had some medals too. Now these are the pictures. We couldn't get the originals from these, and he just emailed these over to me. Mary put a new background on this one and did a lot of restoration on it. Then she made a layout like this. One of my clients brought me a really interesting project, and this is from the First World War. This is his grandfather, I understand, same name. So he brought me these medals, and we're just going to take a look at them. Look at these. This is real history. I mean, wow. The Great War for Civilization, 1914 to 1919. There's an angel or something on the front of that one. It's fabulous. This one here, look at this, a horse and rider, 1914 to 1918. King George, I guess, on there. Look at that. We're going to make this print, and we're going to mount the medals in here in the frame. I think it's going to look fabulous. I really do. I'm so excited to get working on this. I just ordered the glass, so that'll be here soon. Now I was telling Dan I always forget how to do these things from the time I do the last one, but that's what we're going to be looking at. We'll have the two pictures, and the two medals will be suspended in the frame, so I need to make a little space under the glass for them. It's going to be fabulous. I'm really excited to work on this. Just look at these medals. Wow, beautiful work. I mounted my dad's medals like this as well. Now on the picture on the right, we decided that the sky was too white, so Mary dropped in another sky. Okay. This is the print. I think it's going to be fabulous. Mary did the layout here. Now what I've got to do is trim it down and then cut everything, get the board ready and so forth to put it all together. Two and a half. No, 22 3/4. Boy, I hope I got that right. 12 and a half by 22 3/4. 12 and a half, isn't it? We always put the long side in the left first. Nice, perfect job. Perfect, absolutely perfect. Well, I think that's perfect. Nothing works better than your hand for checking the dirt. You don't want any dust underneath here. Now we'll just have to wait a few minutes. Okay, I'm just checking the layout here, which looks to be bang on to me. So we'll take the print right on the cool tack board, come over to the mounting press here. Okay. Five, 6, 7, 8, 19, 20. There you go. Now, just perfect. Just absolutely perfect. This is the most exciting part of picture framing, cleaning the glass. I have to do this a little differently than I usually do. Well, there it is. I'm really impressed with this. Oops, the one metal moved a little bit. There it goes. There's just barely enough room in there. It's sealed with paper on the back. I'll put a wire on, put these D-rings in. That bit really grabs onto the screws, but it doesn't strip them out. Now I'll put the wire across. This is stainless steel soft strand wire. It's good for 90 pounds. Never rusts or corrodes or anything. It's really good. Just tie a knot in there and then wind it around. And there it is, ready to go on the wall. A real slice of history. Thanks for visiting Bella's Vistas. Please like, subscribe, come on back again real soon.